Alright, so today we are going to do implication and equivalence, or they are known as conditional and biconditional statements. But in your textbook, it is known as implication and equivalence. Alright, so what is implication? Okay, well, implication is two propositions. They're linked with if, then. So it is an if-then statement. So if P then Q, they can be written symbolically with this arrow. So if P, then Q, which reads as P implies Q. Right? So P is called your antecedent. So this is the if part of your sentence. Q is your then part of your sentence, and we call that a consequent. Okay, what is the consequence of our antecedent? For example, if we have P, which is 10:05 has a growth mindset, and Q, which is 10:05 will think positive, well, how do we write this as a implication? Well, we're going to write if P, if 10:05 has a growth mindset, then Q. Then 10:05 will think positive. Okay? So this is our if, then statement. If being antecedent, then being our consequent. Alright, let's take a look at another example. We have P, today is a Thai holiday, and Q is MUIDS is closed. Let's make a truth table. Now, of course, we're going to set this up like we traditionally do. If true, 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 then false. If false, then true. If false, then false. Okay, we have our scenarios in the middle, and we're going to find out whether this is what the truth values are for each statement. So in this first one, we have true and true. If today is a Thai holiday, then MUIDS is closed. Well, our expectation is met because today is a Thai holiday, and MUIDS is closed. Both our expectation is met, so that would be true. If today is a Thai holiday, then MUIDS is not closed. Well, our expectation was not met because today is a Thai holiday and MUIDS is not closed. Okay, so this would be false. I'm going to skip this third one and go straight to the fourth one. So if today is not a Thai holiday, then MUIDS is not closed. Well, again, that would be true, right? Okay, so today's not a Thai holiday. Well, MUIDS is not closed. Alright? It's consistent with our implication. Now this third one is a bit tricky. Okay? It says if today is not a Thai holiday, then MUIDS is closed. Okay? This one would be true because it stays consistent with our implicative statement because there's no claim that's been made regarding if today is not a Thai holiday. Okay? So this one would be true. Alright, we have equivalence. Equivalence is two propositions again. Now these propositions are linked with if and only if. Okay? So you would say P if and only if Q. The symbolic form of that would be this double arrow. So P if and only if Q. So for example, P, I will buy pop pop. Q, I have 20 baht. Well, how would I write this as a equivalent statement? I would say, I will buy pop pop if and only if I have 20 baht. Okay, let's write a truth table for our equivalence. Okay, now again, traditionally, true, 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 false, false, true, and then false, false. Okay, I have if P, then Q. I have if Q, then P. The conjunction of those two things is equal to, or does represent an equivalent statement. Okay? So let's kind of break this down one piece after the other. So if P, so true, if true, then true, that would be true. If true, then false, well, that would be false. False and true, that would be true. False and false, that would be true. Again, we just kind of looked at these in our implication on the last couple of slides. We're going to reverse this now. Okay, so instead of going from P to Q, we're going to go from Q to P, right? So if true, then true, well, that would be true. If false, then true, well, that would be true. If true, then false, that would be false, because our expectation was not met. And if false, then false, that would be true. Okay? Now here, again, you guys got practice last class with truth tables. This is our conjunction of both these statements that is equal to your equivalence statement. Okay? So we're going to look at true and true. Well, that would be true. We're going to look at false and true. That would be false. If we have true and false, again, that would be false. If we have true and true, that would be true. Okay? The only time it's true when both statements are true in a conjunction. Now, like I said earlier, this and this, they represent equivalent statements. So they mean the same thing. So this and this mean the same thing. Alright, so here's your practice problem for today. Alright, so go ahead, try these two problems out, and bring them, submit them on for next class.